What's up, guys? Coach Hot here from Devoted Fitness and Strength in Cuyahoga Falls, devotedstrength.com. And today I want to talk to you guys really fast about a couple ways to fix your squat and prevent low back pain and knee pain when you're squatting. So typically we see people come into the gym that either never squatted before or have squatted before, and it causes them pain in one or both of those areas, right? And it's typically due to one of two reasons. Reason number one is midline stabilization or lack of midline stabilization, which is basically your ability to use the muscles of your midsection to stabilize your spine and keep it in one place, right? So a lot of times that comes down to teaching people how to breathe and brace properly. Not what we're going to be talking about in this video. What we're going to be talking about in this video is reason number two, and that's lack of glute and hamstring activation during the squat. And when the glutes and hams are not functioning or not being utilized, what happens is the knees typically dive forward in front of the knees and inward towards your midline. Okay, so the guy we're showing in this video, this particular guy had both of those issues going on. He was having low back pain and knee pain during and after squat sessions. So what we did is we got some weight on his back. He was typically doing pretty well in lighter weight squats like goblet squats and body weight squats. But once you get a moderate load on his back, things started to kind of cave in, and we see the knees shoot forward, like I said, in front of the toes and cave in towards his midline in this video. So one quick thing we typically do is get out the box. Now we're not doing a full-on box squat to where you're really super exaggerating backwards into those glute hams, but we're using it as kind of a safety, a confidence builder, so that people can get farther back into those glutes and hamstrings. And you'll see in the second part of his squats, once we have that box in there, that he does a much better job of sitting back into those hamstrings, driving the knees out. And he said right off the bat there was no longer back or knee pain with those squats. So you can use the box squat as a pretty simple fix for your squat. It's going to take time to practice the movement. Obviously, it's not going to be an instant thing. You have to practice it over time. So when you're doing the box squat, make sure you sit back into those glutes and hamstrings, kind of push your butt back towards the middle of the box, and also drive those knees out away from your midline. Pretend there's a rubber band between your knees and you have to stretch that rubber band. Or another way to think of it is pretend there's a crack in the ground between your feet and you have to spread that crack apart with your 2 feet. Okay, either one of those things will help activate the glutes and keep those knees out from caving in, and then sitting back into those hips a little bit more will keep those knees back behind the toes. Again, a really quick fix, or a quick way to fix the squat. But if you have to, it can be something that it could be the way you squat all the time. Look, if you're not competing with a squat, if you're just trying to get stronger, this is a great way to make it better. Excuse me. So check out the squat in this video, and hopefully it helps. All right, guys, thanks for watching. Make sure you check out our free trial by going to devotedstrength.com. We'll get you set up with a free session and consultation, and then we can get you set up with a 3-week trial membership during which you can try out all the best that we have to offer at Devoted Strength as a full-fledged member of the gym for 3 weeks. No commitments, no contracts. Just head to devotedstrength.com for that, and I'll see you guys soon.